For this first exercise, we're going to start with a fairly simple class definition. We're going to define a person class. And this class will keep track of 3 pieces of data: a name, an age, and a gender. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll call our program person.rb. So we begin our class definition with the keyword class, followed by person. We'll start off with our initialize method. Our parameters will be name, age, and gender. And we'll assign those parameters to instance variables, like so. Then we'll define a toString method, where we'll add a little heading, followed by an instance variable, and then a new line. And we'll do the same thing for age and gender. And then just to be able to do some transformations of instance data, we'll define a birthday method that will increment a person's age by 1. So we'll end our definition of the person class here. So we'll put an N. Now we'll create a couple of person objects. Jane Doe, 33, female. P2 will be Bill Smith, 45, male. And P3, Mary Jones, 13, female. So now let's display those using toString. Display the state of each object. There we go. Let's go ahead and run this program now. See what we get. There are 3 objects: Jane Doe, 33, female; Bill Smith, 45, male; Mary Jones, 13, female. So, to see if our birthday method works, let's just pick one at random. We'll do P3, and we'll call P3 birthday. And then we'll call P3's toString method again to see what we get. So you see that after we called birthday, Mary Jones went from 13 to 14. Let's take a look at our class definition again. We have our initialize method, which allows us to put data into an instance of a person object. We have the toString method, to_s, which allows us to display the state of an object at any time. And then we have an instance method, birthday, which increments age by 1. Then we created 3 new person objects called the toString methods, called the birthday method on P3, then called P3's toString method again to make sure that the age changed from 13 to 14, which it indeed did, as we can confirm with our output one more time. You see where we went from 13 to 14. So that wraps up this first exercise on building classes, and we're ready to move on to the next exercise, where we're going to look at just a little more complex class definition.